Hello bird enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on an exciting journey to discover the 5 most beautiful places to spot birds in Kenya. From the vibrant colors of the lilac-breasted roller to the majestic African fish eagle, Kenya is a paradise for bird watchers. So let's spread our wings and dive right in. Our first stop is the renowned Lake Naivasha National Park, nestled in the heart of the Great Rift Valley. Known for its vast flamingo population, this park is a haven for bird lovers. Keep your eyes peeled for the grateful great white pelican and the elegant grey crowned crane. With over 450 bird species, we are in the treat. Next up, we venture into the iconic Maasai Mara National Reserve, famous for its spectacular wildlife. This reserve also offers fantastic bird-watching opportunities. Look out for the sticking secretary bird striding through the grassland. And don't miss the chance to spot the majestic Mauritian eagle soaring high above. It's a bird watcher's paradise. Our adventure continues in the enchanting Aberdare National Park, where lush manmade forests provide a haven for a diverse range of bird species. Keep your binoculars handy as you search for the colorful Tulaco and elusive Aberdare Coral. With its cool climate and stunning landscape, Aberdare offers a unique bird-watching species. Now, let's sail over to Lake Naivasha, a freshwater oasis teeming with avian's life. Glide through the waterways as you marvel at the majestic African fish eagle swooping down to catch its prey. Look out for the vibrant malachite kingfisher perched along the leads, adding a flash of color to the scene. It's a bird-watching dream come true. Last but certainly not least, we find ourselves in the majestic Kakamega Forest, Kenya's last remaining pocket for tropical rainfall. This biodiversity hotspot is home for an incredible array of bird species, including the rare blue-headed bee-eater and the charming African blue flycatcher. Immerse yourself in the sight and sound of this ancient forest. You never know what further treasures you might discover. And there you have it, fellow bird enthusiasts. 5 spectacular places to witness and visit the beauty of Kenya's avian inhabitants. Whether you are a seasoned birder or just starting out, Kenya's diverse landscape offers something for everyone. So, grab your binocular and embark on your own bird-watching adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.